And we have this sustained overhead fan veil flutter or ripple, however you want to call it. I believe some people call that the flame. It does look kind of like a flame flickering over your head. This is it's a fantastically beautiful move, right? Everyone loves this. This is a money move. Money move in fan veil, you got to have a couple of these in your performance. It's tiring, really tiring from your whole arm, your back. And you're fighting gravity big time on this, right? To keep them overhead. Well, how do you do it? You have to keep reanimating. You have to keep getting more air. Ripple, 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 ripple. As they start to fall, you give it a bigger push. I'm going to go to the side for a sec. Over, and it's fine, and you're good. When you feel like you're losing it, bigger push, because that bigger push puts more air, and the air is what's lifting them over your head. It is exhausting, but it is beautiful, and you definitely want to have this movement. And I'm trying not to flap too much, but as you get more tired, you want to flap more. So make sure that you pace yourself with that. Don't do it every second. You know, it's fantastic and spectacular, but if you're doing it every 20 counts in the music, you burn it out.